in 1765, making it the oldest botanic garden in the Western Hemisphere. The purpose of the gardens was to facilitate the introduction of plants, namely new foods, medicine, or for commerce, and even today it's full of interesting plants and stories. One such story takes us back to the late 18th century when there were needs for cheap, high-energy food sources for enslaved people. The solution? Breadfruit from Tahiti, brought over by Captain William Bligh.
I know this
After
dog.
an unsuccessful, well-documented first attempt, which ended with mutiny on the HMS Bounty. Long story short, they arrived in Tahiti late. Missed breadfruit season, had to wait 5 months for it to come back into season. By that time, half of the crew didn't want to leave and they'd started relations with local women. Woo-wee! It was a mess. They ended up taking control of the ship and sending William Bligh packing. Undeterred, 4 years later, in 1791, William Bligh commanded a second expedition, which after 2 years successfully brought breadfruit from Tahiti to St. Vincent and Jamaica. The success of all those efforts is evident from the widespread distribution of breadfruit. Also, a specimen, a sucker from one of the original plants of 1793, still stands today. Lastly, during this voyage, Bligh also collected samples of ackee fruit of Jamaica, introducing it to the Royal Society in Britain upon his return. As a result, the scientific name for ackee is Bligh sapida, named in his honor.
Honor of Captain Bligh. Bro, you know you can't eat breadfruit raw?
Oh.